Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will take you through the process of adding an A record in your cPanel using DNS Zone Editor. My name is Alice. Let's get started. First of all, an A record, which is also known as IP address records, is a DNS record and is used to point a domain or subdomain to an IP address. You can add an A record to a domain using the cPanel's DNS Zone Editor option. Log into your cPanel account. In the domain section, click on the DNS Zone Editor icon. This takes you to the Zone Editor page. On this page, you get to see your various domains and the DNS records under the Action section. Click on the A record beside the domain you want to add the record to. In this tutorial, I will be creating an A record for my shostdemo.com domain. So, I will click on the A record beside the domain shostdemo.com. A small window will pop open. Enter the required details, that is, the name you wish to add and the IP address of the server. The name I want to add is blog, so I will type blog in the name field and enter my IP address in the address field. Please note, cPanel will automatically add the domain name to the name you will type in the name field. Click on Add an A record to successfully add the record. A record added successfully. To check the record, click on the Manage beside the DNS of the domain you added the record to. The Zone Editor page opens, showing the various zone records of your domain and all the DNS records you have created for the domain. So when I scroll down, I get to see the record I added, that is, the record name, blog.shostdemo.com, the type, which is an A record, and the IP address. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can call our support line or send us a message on our website. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.